What's up guys, come along with me as I show you how I make this cake. First I start by icing my bottom tier, and this is an 8-inch cake. It's about 6.5 inches tall, and it had already had a crumb coat, and that's the white layer underneath. And then I put my blue buttercream on the outside and I smooth it with the smooth cake comb from Ester Cakes. This is a more sped up version. If you'd like to actually learn how I get my buttercream so smooth, I have a full tutorial on my website. I'll put the link in the description in case you are interested. Now for the top tier, I have a 5-inch cake, and this one is also about 6.5 inches tall. It's already crumb coated with that white American buttercream, and then I just add my blue buttercream to the outside with an offset spatula, and then I smooth it with the smooth cake comb from Ester Cakes. I clean up the sides and the top, and I pop both of those cakes in the fridge so that they can firm up before I stack them together. To stack them together, I just add a little bit of buttercream, and then I place the top tier on top, and I lift it up with a very thick dowel, and then I insert a longer dowel, and this one gets hammered through both tiers, and this just secures both cakes together. Right now I'm adding what I thought was edible gold leaf to the cake. It was loose leaf, and it came in a jar. It was going on really easily, which is not normal for edible gold leaf. Like, all these little pieces just went on so perfectly, and you can even see I dropped a couple of them onto the next tier, and it didn't stick. Real edible gold leaf sticks, right? So I took a piece and I ate it, and it tasted weird. It kind of tastes like metal, and it didn't melt in your mouth. So this did not sit right with me. I took all of it off of the cake, and I put on what I know is edible gold leaf. I'll put a link in the description for the kind that I use, and I'm adding it all to the cake. It comes on a little tiny piece of paper, so you kind of press that against the cake, and then you can also use a clean dry brush to help get the rest of it off. So I add all of that to the cake, and then I wanted to show you the gold leaf that I took off of the cake the first time. It's super thick. It just ripped in half, and real edible gold leaf would have been all over my fingers, and I wouldn't be able to like pick it up and rip it in half. So I just kind of wanted to show you the difference here and what to look out for the next time you're going to use gold leaf on a cake. This is how the cake came out. I believe my client added a cake topper, which I would have loved to see on this cake, but it looks so cool just how it is. I hope you guys enjoy this little video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more.